In prior attempts at quantum field theories to explain the elementary particles, there were two fundamental problems. In order to have the necessary symmetry breaking that nature seemed to require, the kind of symmetry breaking in these theories almost seemed to unavoidably postulate the existence of massless particles called Goldstone bosons, which were not seen in nature. And it also required the particles that mediate the weak interaction that's responsible for radioactivity to be massless as well. So the theory required the existence of two classes of massless particles, which didn't exist in nature. Suddenly, in 1964, three groups of people, they found a mechanism where the two embarrassments conspired to lift all the embarrassment. That is, the embarrassment of the non-existing Goldstone bosons and the embarrassment of the massless mediating particles. Those two things sort of almost miraculously and relatively easily can be described on one page or 2 pages. The two embarrassments conspired to make everything okay. In addition, it turned out when you use this to make a real particle theory, they also gave masses to the fundamental quarks and leptons, that is to say electrons and so on, that would otherwise in the theory have to be massless. He said, well, we had all these embarrassments. The embarrassments are no longer there. We have the Higgs mechanism. Now we can roll up our sleeves and do realistic theories. And Weinberg's theory was the first of that kind, and that created the standard model. But you couldn't go to work because it was assumed you run into the wall of these massless particles, massless Goldstone bosons and massless bosons that mediate the weak interaction. And that seemed like a brick wall. They explained away the brick wall and explained how in detail you would go about doing it in a realistic theory.